What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, another episode of That's Truckiinn. Right now we are in Houston, Texas. We are about to get to our first delivery. If y'all didn't see the last video, we have 3 machines right now, which is 3 deliveries. Right now the first one is in Houston. The next one will be up north in Waco, Texas, and then the last one's gonna be down at the house in San Antonio. I think it was like 5:30, about to be 6 when we started driving, and with traffic and all that, we are just now getting here. It's about to be 8, but it should be a pretty quick unload. It's just one small machine, one little excavator, and should be out of here and on our way to deliver the second one, hopefully today. All right, guys, well, shipping and receiving, but I think this is just, yeah, I don't know. I think I passed it.
Head north on Burrow Drive.
Let's see here.
In a quarter mile.
Shut up. I have seen that, it said truck entrance somewhere over here on Google Maps. So, right here, truck entrance. All right, well, we are checked in and told us where to go, but I think there is somebody there right now. So let's see. I think that purple truck is right there. Yep. Told us to go in that alley right there and just wait. We'll just wait right here for now. All right. There's nobody out here, so I'm guessing I'm gonna unload it myself. I don't know, but I'm not gonna wait. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. Well, we got it. Oh yeah. Alright, we're just gonna park it right here. I don't know where to go. Here we are. We're about to exit right here. Wait, this is a different name. I don't know, but it says the exit is right here. Oh, yep, there it is. All right, well, we are gonna deliver this second stop right about now. And honestly, it's barely 11 right now. We might be able to, oh man. Oh shoot, I might have to go around and do a turn. Yep, I might have to go do a turnaround. The entrance was back there. Damn. Or not, I could have gone in right there. Aw, brother. Alright, well, we'll just go over there, do a turnaround, and then come back. Alright guys, well, honestly I have no idea where to go. I think this is like a dealership. So I don't think it's here. I think it's on the other place, but I have the address for this one over here. So let's check in here first, and then if not, we're gonna have to go we're gonna have to go do the turnaround again. All right guys, well, we checked in. That's the dock right there, and we're gonna have to do a little maneuver right here. Now we have enough space over there. Oh yeah, we are good. Yeah. Dump the air on the seat. Answer it. Yo. Hold on, let me put you over here, hold on. You caught me in the middle of backing up and shit. Oh my gosh, brother, estoy perro. Say hi to YouTube. They can't hear you, you're my AirPod, but so they're not gonna hear you being all racist and shit. Ah. Right now I'm going home. Yeah, I'm in Waco right now. Why? Damn, boy. Damn, so you don't go home till the 27th? To the food festival, you fat. Damn. I haven't even seen it. What kind of food is it? God, not my kind. Not beaner food. Oh shit. I had went to one in San Antonio, but it was just like Korean food. Nah, it was pretty good. Oh man, well, it is the next day, guys. We are here at our next pickup. Yeah, because I don't think I recorded this morning. Yeah, I don't think I did, but we delivered the last little excavator that we had over there in San Antonio. Delivered it in the morning, and then we made our way over here to Rotan. I don't know how to say it. Rotan. That meant bud. It's somewhere over here by north of Abilene. It's about 5 hours from the house. So yeah, we just made it here. This is where we picked up our first load ever here with Lone Star, and we're picking up the same thing and going to the same place. Oh man, it is quite a bit heavy if you ask me. It is 50,000 pounds of sheetrock. Yeah, I don't know if that is overweight. I don't know, but hey, there's no weigh stations over here, man. There we go. Ooh, all right, guys. Well, I'm gonna try and hurry up because it is freaking hot out here, man, and we have 5 hours, so I don't think we're gonna make it home, honestly. Well, I'm not gonna show my address. Let's look up a little bit. Well, yeah, maybe we might. 4 hours and 23 minutes. So, oh, I don't know, man. We might make it home. All right. Well, that is good news because I really thought I wasn't gonna make it home. Because it was about 5 hours from when we took off to get over here. It was 5 hours, so 4 hours and 23 minutes. Yeah, we'll make it home. And we have a lot of on-duty time, about an hour and some change. So let's hurry up and get this thing all set up. I'll show you guys whenever I'm done, so I can hurry up. And I mean, it's already tarped and it's already strapped, so can't really show you guys anything. So we'll finish up and get on out of here. Whee! All right, guys. Last time y'all told me that why did I walk all the way to my truck? Not today, man. I took my son's dirt bike. Alright, we're approaching the light. Now we just have to cross that underpass and we'll be there. I think we're good to go. We're here. All right, guys, don't mind the windshield. I know it's freaking dirty, but we are, what was that noise? We're about to get here right now, but I just want to record this turn because it is small, and if there's a car right there, I will not make it. So I'm not even gonna take the chance. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till it's green, and if there's cars right there, they're gonna have to back up for sure, unless there's nobody on this side and I can go really wide and make the turn. But well, it's still good.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
See, I'm already hitting the sidewalk over here, and look at that. Yeah, definitely, if a car was there, no good. So the weird thing about this place is that we get there, we go into the driveway, but instead of going inside and checking in, we just stop right there at that driveway. Look, there's another Lone Star guy right there. I think he spent the night.
Turn left, then turn left.
We untarp and everything, and then yeah. Man, he's probably still asleep, honestly. I don't know if I'm gonna park behind him or over here on this side. I don't think I'm gonna have enough room to straighten out if I go behind him. Oh man.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.
Yeah, no, I'm not. Well, oh, is he moving? Yeah, he's moving forward. I'm gonna leave a little bit of room for the straps and all that. No, we'll be fine right there. All right, well, let's start getting to work, man. Let's go. Couldn't record because the guy over there was helping me. I didn't want to get him on camera. I don't know if he wanted to be on camera or not. So, but we got the tarps. That's the last thing we needed. Oh man! I know I recorded some in the morning when I was riding it, but it was too dark and I didn't have the camera set up for I guess nighttime. So I don't think I were able to see that much. Let me check how much gas this thing has, because I don't know. I filled it up yesterday. Oh my goodness, it has a lot of gas. Nope, we're good. We'll make it. I bet I look funny as hell. Alright, as long as we keep it off the streets.